Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, I am your computer teacher, Neha ma'am, and here I am with the video of chapter 1. And the chapter name is Internet. Students, before starting the chapter, let us have a look on the contents of the chapter. And the contents are: what is Internet? Uses of the Internet. Basic requirements for an Internet connection. Internet terms. Students, do you know what is Internet? Internet is the global network of various interconnected computer networks which provide a bundle of information and communication services to its users. The Internet came into limelight in 1990 when computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web. Internet is also referred to as network of networks. A computer network means two or more computers are connected together with special cables or devices to share information. Students, now what are the uses of internet? First is we can learn and share knowledge over the internet. Second, we can send email for communication. Third, we can do online shopping. Fourth, we can connect with family, friends easily. We can book tickets of railway, airways, hotels, etc. We can play various games online. We can also read books, newspaper online. Students, in short, we can say that the internet has become an integral part of our life. See, I'm also sharing the video through the internet. And yes, the classes going on is also because of internet. Now, what are the basic requirements for an internet connection? The basic requirements which one should have to get connected to the internet are: first, computer system; second, ISP. ISP full form is Internet Service Provider. Third, telephone line. Fourth, modem. Fifth, web browser. Means class, to connect with the internet, you should have these requirements with you. Now, what are the important terms of internet? Internet. Internet related terms are website, web page, home page, web browser, URL, ISP, World Wide Web, that is www, and address bar. Now, what is website? The information available on the internet is in the form of websites and web pages. Second, web page. Information is put on the internet in the form of digital pages called web pages. Students, you are having your computer book now. As a book contains a number of pages, similarly, a website is a collection of related web pages linked to one another. Third is home page. The main page of any website which contains link to the other pages is called the home page. By default, home page is the first page of every website. Third, web browser. A web browser is a software application or program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. Next term is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. To visit your friend's place, you need to know his address now. Similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is identified by its unique address, and that is known as Uniform Resource Locator or URL. Our school websites is also given there. By accessing on the school website, you are able to download the information about your subjects. Next term is ISP, Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company which offers you the uses of the internet by paying a monthly fee. See, everybody, you all are seeing the video on your mobile phone or on your computer system or on your laptop or on your tablets, but it must have any SIM also with it, which is providing the internet facility. And some internet service providers are Reliance, Airtel, BSNL. Next important term of internet is World Wide Web or WWW. The World Wide Web refers to a network of websites on the internet which contains information in the form of text, pictures, animations, videos, audios, etc. And the last one is address bar. The address bar appears on the top of every web browser. To visit a website, we need to put its URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, into the address bar. Right class? See here, this one, URL. It is the website's name or the website address, you can say. This is the website address, URL. Here, students, you are able to see one figure that is of Google Chrome toolbar. Class, Google Chrome is a kind of software, or you can say a kind of web browser. Google Chrome is one of the most popular and widely used web browser developed by Google. You can open it either by double clicking on its icon on the desktop or select the start, scroll down to Google Chrome. This figure is of Google Chrome toolbar. See here, this is back, this button. When you will click on this button, it will take you back to the previous page that you have already visited. This is forward. Clicking on forward button will take you the page that you were on before you press the back button. To view the next page in a serial order. Next is reload page. Clicking on this button will reload the most recent version of the current page. New tab will open a new tab. Next will bookmark this page. It allows the user to store and organize the chosen websites so that he or she can revisit them anytime whenever needed. History. This shows whatever you have, whatever website you have started seeing on it. Zoom, you can, by using this zoom button, you can zoom whatever you are searching. And this is print. After clicking on this print, you can take the print out of the particular page. More tools. Here you will be able to see more tools related to the Google Chrome. Students, now it's time for the difficult words. First is communication. COMMUNICATION. Second is millions. MILLIONS. Third is banking. 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 Fourth, perform. PERFORM. Fifth is visited. 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 Sixth is application. APPLICATION. Seventh is popular. 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 Eighth is opera. 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 Ninth is Mozilla. 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 Tenth is customize. CUSTOMISE. Customize. So here is one activity section given class. You have to identify the buttons that performs the given actions. These are the buttons. You have to write their names. Students, in this video I have explained chapter 1. So go through it, see the videos again and again, and also please solve the activity section. Be safe. Thank you, class.